Hello everyone, this is Debashish Mishra. So today we will discuss important questions, that is for your semester examination for electrical drives. Okay, so I have selected 20 long questions which is according to your BPUT syllabus, Biju Patnaik University of Technology syllabus. If you are following any type of syllabus, such type of question will come. So you see these 20 questions, long questions. After that I will provide short questions in my next video. So keep watching. Today we will start. Actually I have divided into 4 parts: module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4 according to the BPUT syllabus. Okay, so you just check it, such type of question you will find. Okay, first important questions, module 1. We will discuss one by one. First question you can see here: explain the 4-quadrant operation. Explain the 4-quadrant operation of a motor driving a hoist having load giving the quadrant diagram showing direction of load, torque and speed. So 4-quadrant operation, it is a very important question. In power electronics also we have seen this 4-quadrant operation, so it is slightly different in drives. So you can check, it is a very important question. Going to the second question, derive and explain the steady state stability criteria of electrical drives. Steady state stability, module 1, very important question. You prepare accordingly. Explain load equalization. Sometimes this question, load equalization question, sometimes it comes 2-mark question, but according to the syllabus I have prepared it as a long question. So you prepare for both long question and short question. Difference between AC drive and DC drive. This is also 2 types of question. It may becomes 5-mark questions or it may be comes as 2-mark questions. So you prepare for minimum 10 points. Okay, so if it is 2-mark question, write 4 to 5 points. If it is a 10-mark question, then you prepare for 10 points. Then calculate the time and energy loss in transient operation. Then what are the components of load torques? Explain with example. It is a very important question. What are the components of load torques? Different types of load torques are there. So bit by bit if you go, that will be a short question, and different types of load torques, that will be a short question. And if all the load torques you will discuss, the question is like that, what are the components of load torques, you will find as a long question. Okay, so module 1 completed. Going to the module 2. Module 2 is very long, and so many important questions are there. Maximum long questions are from module 2. Module 3 very less, module 4 also less, but module 2 is very important. Module 1 and module 2. In module 2 you will find maximum long questions. You can see here: explain with net circuit diagram the regenerative braking of separately excited DC motor using single phase fully controlled rectifier. So in case of braking, regenerative braking, braking is important. But this question, regenerative braking of separately excited DC motor, I have seen maximum time this question has come. So that I am telling you, it is very important. Otherwise, braking you can prepare. Okay, but this question is very important. Then second question also very important. Give 2 methods of speed control normally employed for separately excited DC motor, sketching their characteristics. Indicate clearly constant torque drive and constant power drive regions in the characteristics curve. This is a totally a long question, and if you will see constant torque drive and constant power drive, it is very important for 2-mark question. Constant power drive and constant power drive, constant torque drive and constant power drive, it is very important. Okay, constant torque drive and constant power drive. Clear. Going to the next one. Explain voltage source inverter control. VSI. Explain variable voltage, variable frequency control of an induction motor drives. Explain variable frequency control from a current source. These are very important questions. Maximum times such type of question are coming. Module 2 is continuing. Explain current source inverter control. ये very important question. Comparison of CSI and VSI drives. So this comparison may become 2 mark questions, may become 5 mark questions. So you prepare accordingly. Explain current regulated voltage source inverter control. What is rotor resistance control and slip power recovery? I have added these 2 questions, but it can be what is rotor resistance control, it may be a question. What is slip power recovery, it may be a question, but I have added these 2 questions as one question, but you have to prepare these both questions. Sometimes what is rotor resistance control, it may be come, and slip power recovery, it may be come. Module 2 complete. Module 3 is very less question. You can prepare. Synchronous motor is there in module 1 and module 2. DC drive and induction motor drive completed, and here you can see explain variable frequency control of multiple synchronous motors with schematic block diagram. From synchronous motor, I think this is only one question, and you prepare. And then traction. From traction also so many short questions are there. I think according to your syllabus, whatever I have observed, I think this may be a long question. Otherwise there are questions. These are the short questions, and I will prepare the short question. Now you just prepare for long question. Explain the calculation of traction drive rating and energy consumption. I think it may be a long question. Then module 4. Before going to module 4, I will tell you one thing. Module 4 is very important. I have given you some selected questions, but I will suggest you prepare everything from module 4. Explain various functionality of microprocessor in drive technology with relevant block diagram. Then give the drive consideration for steel rolling mills. Then give the drive consideration of sugar mills. Different types of mills, cement mills are there, different types of mills are there, but I have selected for this year steel rolling mills and sugar mills. But my suggestion will be you should prepare for all the mills. Okay. So from microprocessor you will find this 18 number question, but for mills I will suggest you prepare each and every mills. But selection question is steel rolling mills, sugar mills. I think these 2 questions may come this semester, but you prepare all the mills. These are the theoretical questions. You should remember point wise and write in your examination. So these are the 20 selected questions from electrical types. Hope it will definitely help you to score good marks. And if you are not prepared, then you also can able to pass by preparing these 20 questions. And definitely I will provide short questions. I am preparing short questions. I will try to give some short questions which will definitely help you to score good marks and to clear the paper easily. So thank you students. Then we will meet in a next video with some important questions. Okay, thank you.